Thank you guys for helping me clean the house. We're having guests today. My friend's bringing over her kids. They're twins, and we're gonna babysit them today.
Does that mean they could talk to each other telepathically? Does that mean they could speak with their minds? Are they like aliens or something? Are those what twins are? I don't want an alien in our house.
Sure, stop with the silly nonsense. They are not. They're just you and your other sisters, except that we're born at the same time.
But I'm more beautiful than they are, so we can't be twins.
Oh, stop it, Glamster not. That will help you with your homework, because they're a little older than you, so... Ooh, there they are. Let's go open the door.
Hey kids, meet the Punk twins. This is Punk Boy and Miss Punk. Punk Boy, Miss Punk, meet Barbie's kids.
They look very girly.
Miss Punk, that is not nice. Young lady, apologize.
But I look at it as a compliment.
Okay, as long as you look at it as a compliment. You'll be staying with Barbie for a few hours while I go on my interview, so be on your best behavior, okay?
Alright.
Okay. It's a bunch of girls here. Am I the only boy?
Punk Boy, you're the only boy in the whole series.
Oh, okay. Can't wait for my brothers to come. Hey, be on your best behavior, kids.
Okay. Yeah, Mom, come on.
Be on your best behavior and take care of your sister, okay? This is Mommy's big boy. Mwah. Mwah. Mom, that's gross and so embarrassing. Oh, you're still my little sweet boy. Mwah. Yuck. Okay, Barbie. I'll see you later. Thank you so much.
Bye, Barbie. Don't worry a bit. We're going to have loads of fun. Just wait and see. Good luck in your interview. Okay, guys. Let's have a quick snack, and then it's going to be homework time, okay?
Yay, homework time. So fun.
More like snack time. How fun. Let's go. Come on, Punk Boy, Miss Punk. You're going to love it.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, kids. While the others wash their hands, you can start on your snack. This is for my bake sale, so don't drink or eat anything that's sugary. That means cupcakes, sodas, chocolate milk, anything. You guys can have water, milk, and crackers, okay?
What type of snack is that?
It's a healthy snack. Okay, when Punk Boy comes and Miss Punk, tell him where everything is. You guys know the routine. I'm expecting a call from Ken real soon, so...
Well, can you at least move everything out of our face?
Yeah, I'll move everything. Oh, there's Ken. Oh, hi, Ken. Yeah, this is Barbie. I was in the middle of giving the kids some snacks. Yeah. Oh, really? You don't say. Ha 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 ha. Yeah, uh-huh. Really? Okay. I'll be right back, kids, okay? Yeah, Ken, what were you saying?
But, how about the sugary snacks? Oh well, Mom won't notice us take a couple bites, right?
I don't think she'll be back.
So, what did we miss? Ooh, is this all for us?
Oh, no, Mom told us that's for her bake sale, but we're gonna eat milks and crackers and water. That's all we can eat.
I don't think she'll mind or notice if we take something else. What do you say, Miss Punk?
I think that's a brilliant idea. I'm starving. I'm not in the mood for crackers and milk.
Okay, let's dig in.
Hey, wait. That's for a bake sale.
Just as long as we don't finish it, I'm sure she won't mind. Come on, girls. Just a bite, just a bite.
But Mom has to be the most perfect of the perfect moms.
Just a bite won't hurt.
She notices everything.
Well, you goody two-shoes, do whatever you want. But me and Miss Punk run on our own. Right, Miss Punk?
Yeah. This isn't even your house.
Twin power.
Oh my god, I told you they're idiots.
Come eat with us.
Guess one bite won't hurt.
That's what I'm talking about.
Wait. After we're done eating, you must hear me sing. I'm the best singer in the world.
Sure, whatever.
Okay, let's dig in. Wait, you still use a high chair? Duh. It's way better here.
They're eating sugar. Once they're loaded up, we're gonna have the house to ourselves.
Good idea, Punk Boy. Cookies! Cookies! Oh! Cookies! Ah!
Shortstop, what's going on? Why is the toilet up here? Leave me alone for 10 seconds. And the toilet is upstairs. There's sand on the floor. What is going on?
Take some juice!
Ah!
Oh my god, she's wiped out cold. Better find more cookies. Oh, look how good I see.
I want more cookies. More cookies. More cookies. More cookies. I need another soda. I need another soda. Wait. More sugar.
Best of all, we didn't even have to get our hands dirty. Oh, hey, Barbie, Punk Boy, Miss Punk, I have great news. I just got back from the interview, and guess what? I got the job. Isn't that just the best news you've heard all day? So what that means is that you guys will be babysitting Punk Boy and Miss Punk every day. Aren't you glad, Barbie?
Did you say every day?
Yes, I did. Isn't that amazing? Barbie? What happened here? I was so excited, I didn't even notice all this mess.
Honestly, I'm not sure. It's all kind of a big blur. Last thing I remember was a cup flying towards my face. Oh no, what did happen? Look at all this mess.
Oh my gosh, I really hope you have homeowner's insurance.
Not sure. I have to find my phone.
I am so sorry, Barbie. This happens everywhere I take them.
Did you say every day?
No, that's okay. I'll just have to decline the job for now. Let's find him. Miss Punk!
Mom, I could tell you something. I have to tell you. It was her children. Miss Spire's children did all the mess. It was horrible to see. I can inform you that it was them.
Honestly, I don't know because I don't remember what happened.
They were so mean to me.
Miss Punk, we need to work on lying. This happens every time you guys go somewhere. Where's Punk Boy? We need to see the rest of the house, see what kind of damage you guys did.
Well, we were taking a nap. We didn't do anything.
Yeah, give me one with everything on it, pepperoni, mushrooms, the works. Yeah, just deliver it to Barbie house. Yeah, put it on her tab, that'll be good.
See, Mom? I told you Punk Boy was asleep.
Cancel all this order. Yeah, bye. Punk Boy, why were you ordering food from Barbie's account? She said I could. You guys need to explain what all this mess is. Why is everything on the floor? Why are Barbie's other kids just passed out? What happened? What did you guys do?
They took our candy stash and then Yeah, they got a free load and they started eating everything.
Candy stash? I told you guys to leave that at home. We have to check the rest of the house to see what kind of damage you guys did. That's why I can't leave you guys anywhere. That's why I can't find a job. You guys are way out of hand.
But it wasn't us. I told you it was them who made the mess.
Yeah, I've been living here all day. Where did you get cookies from?
Candy stash stuff.
We have to find a way to make this right for Barbie.
Oh, what's going on here? Did you find... Where did you get those cookies?
Shortstop said I could have some.
Shortstop? Where is she? Shortstop? Shortstop, what's wrong, honey? What happened? Oh no, my babe. Oh, honey, what happened to you?
Oh, hi, Mom. You like the drink I gave you? On your face?
That was you? Why would you do that? What's wrong with you?
You said you wanted some, so I just thought that you wanted some. And so I threw it in your face.
Let's go find your other siblings and we'll get all this sorted out later, okay?
Okay.
Oh my goodness, what did you guys do here?
It wasn't us.
Yeah, we were upstairs the whole time. It was not us.
My babies! What did you guys do? They never behaved this badly. You guys are a terrible, terrible influence on them. My tub is ruined.
Well, at least it's not our house, so we don't have to do anything about it.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe you guys just said that. We are gonna have to pay for all of Barbie's damages and help her clean up.
Oh no, you're not, Mom. This wasn't our fault. It was theirs. We told them not to get the candy, but they still wouldn't listen. They are rude little brats.
I've had enough of you two. No more lying. Take responsibility for your actions. You guys have ruined Barbie's house.
Well, it isn't our house.
Oh no, my babies. Come here.
I'm full, Mommy. I ate too much sugar.
How did you guys get sugar?
We took it from Miss Punk and Punk Boy. Tattletale.
You guys are tattletales. I'm gonna beat you up at school. I am so disappointed in you two. Can't take you anywhere.
Yeah, you should be disappointed in them. You should be disappointed at them. They didn't want to hear me sing. She sings horrible.
You guys are so rude. Let's just go home. And I guess Barbie is never gonna be my friend again.
I guess that's okay. It's a win-win, isn't it?
Let's go home now.
Just like I thought. The batch of goodies that I had for the bake sale are nowhere to be found. And my new LOL doll. We haven't even unboxed her yet. Oh.
That's it. Punk Boy, Miss Punk, we are going to apologize to Barbie and help her clean all this mess up.
All right.
I'm sorry, Barbie.
I guess I'm sorry too.
Okay. I'll start cleaning up. I'll start waking up the babies. That way they can help us clean up too. No. This is your mess. You pick it up.
We didn't even do anything.
Miss Punk, I think we're pretty much done. Let's just help up.
All right.
Apology accepted as long as you guys help me clean up. And never visit my house anymore.
Okay, we're sorry.
Oh, we're sorry. I'm sorry too.
Okay, clean up. That looks better. Oh my gosh, that was a long day.
Well, good thing we had everything nice and cleaned back the way it was. And the best part,
Yep, they're all in bed. Especially mine.
well, I guess it's time for us to hit the haystack as well.
Yeah, let's go before we wake him up.
No, 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 we do not want that. Let's go.
Oh.